Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Camera Pro mode on your POCO F5 Pro. So to do this you have to open the camera and then you have to go for the left side until you find the Pro mode. And first of all, when you enter right here, I will recommend you to click on this information icon. It appears on the left upper corner of the photo preview, and here you will find description of every parameter. So for example, now we can take a look for the exposure verification, or for example for the focus peaking. So it's good to know how to adjust these parameters, and I'm going to show you how we can do this. So first we are going to start from the white balance. As you can see, we got 4 default presets and manual slider. You can also do this automatically by tapping on this A icon. Next, we can find the focus range. So we can set manual focus and also automatically just by tapping right here. Next, we can find shutter speed. We can set it even for the 30 seconds. The next option is ISO. Here we can find the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can adjust only manually. And here we are able to switch between the ultra wide lens and the wide lens. When you go for the top bar, we can find the flashlight. Here we can switch the matrix metering. In this place we are able to adjust parameters like saturation, contrast, sharpness. We can reset all of them by tapping on this icon. By tapping right here, we are able to activate this 64 megapixel Ultra HD mode. When you tap right here, you can also enable the default filters. When you tap right here, you can also check for the exposure verification. So it will be useful when you adjust the shutter speed, exposure compensation, or adjusting also the ISO level. And this parameter, the focus peaking, will be useful when you adjust focus level manually. We can also enable the grid lines, voice shutter. We can also switch the aspect ratio, enable camera timer, or even add the timed burst. When you tap on this small arrow right here, you can pick number of the photos and also the interval without the exposure. So as you can see, that's how Camera Pro mode looks on the Xiaomi POCO F5 Pro. Thank you for watching, hope you like it.